Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a long tail cast-on. And this cast-on is really awesome. I love to use this cast-on for my knitting project. So this is on the bottom look like. It's really nice edge. Alright, so let's get started. So before we start, you will need knitting needles and yarn. Whatever size you prefer, doesn't matter. And then for long tail cast on, the tail is very important because we're gonna cast on into that tail. So how can you know how much tail that you need for long tail cast on? So for me, let's say I'm gonna cast on 10 stitches. So what I'm gonna do is bring my needle, and then I'm gonna wrap the yarn into my needle 10 times because I'm gonna cast on 10 stitches. So you need to wrap the same number that you're gonna cast on. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. When I have 10 loops here, and then I always give myself extra. So I leave the tail after I wrap 10 times about 4 to 5 inches, and then remove needle, and we're gonna make slip knot right there. So I'm gonna show you how to make slip knot. So here I hold the yarn like this, and I'm gonna twist the yarn like so, make a loop like so, and then bring my fingers into that loop and go grab that yarn up, and now we have slip knot. Next, bring your needle and insert into that loop. So this is gonna be the first stitch. So the working yarn on the front and the tail on the back, like so. That's what it looks like so far. And next, I'm gonna use my 3 fingers here, grab the yarn like so, the working yarn and the tail, and use my index finger and my thumb open that up like so. I will show you again. Do the same. I use my 3 fingers, grab both yarn and insert my index finger and my thumb into that loop and open it up like so, and then turn. Alright, and then I always use my right index fingers hold the first stitch so it's not come out of the needle. And then we're gonna insert the needle into the first loop here like so, and then go to the second loop here. Grab, go under like so, and then pull through the first loop that we insert the needle, and then let it go. Now we have 2 stitches, and then go back to the same position. Insert the needle into the first loop, bring it up, and then insert the needle into the second loop here from index finger and bring it up, and then pull through the first loop and let it go. Now we have 3 stitches and come back to the same position, and repeat that again. Insert the needle into the first loop, bring it up, and then insert the needle into the second loop here. Bring it up and pull through the first loop that we insert the needle. And let it go. And then come back to the same position. Make sure when you cast on it's not too tight and not too loose. Alright? And we're gonna repeat that. Insert the needle into the first loop, bring it up, insert the needle into the second loop, bring it up and pull through the first loop. And let it go. I have 5 stitches now. We're gonna repeat this till you have the number of the stitches that you're gonna cast on. So I'm gonna keep cast on till I have 10 stitches. Do the same thing. Now I have 10 stitches. That's what it looks like. So yeah, I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I will see you next video. Bye bye.